Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your own sound effects to Cross DJ app 2025. Alright, before Google Files updated their system due to security purpose, we used to add sound effects directly using File Manager. Now things changed. If you go to Android data, it shows empty. So now, currently, we are using another app. What you should do, go to Play Store and type EX File Manager and install it to your device. Okay, now let us open Cross DJ Pro. This is the latest version 2025. If you haven't got it yet, please visit our Telegram channel and get it for free. The link is already in the description. Go to samples, tap add a new bank set. Here type anything of your choice. For example, me, I will type my FX, then okay. So now go to my banks and look for the bank you just created. See, it is empty. Now tap record and press on all of them and then tap edit. Now you need to rename all of them. For example, I will use FX1 or FX2, FX3 up to FX6. After that, close the app. Okay, please remember to subscribe, like and share with your friends for more tutorials. Now open EX File Manager, go to internal storage and look for samples you need to add to Cross DJ and copy 6 of them. After copying, then go to Android, then in data. Now look for Cross DJ data files and tap on it. Tap files and then samples. So now look for a bank you created. For me, I created my FX. Here it is. I will open it and paste my samples here. Remember, anything you do here, do not tamper with this preset file. It's a preset file. Yeah, just leave it untouched, right? Rename all your copied samples respectively: FX1, FX2, FX3, FX4, FX5, FX6, according to the way you named it in Cross DJ app, and delete the recorded files. Remember, our samples are still in MP3 format, so we need to change their format to MP4 as well by renaming them and then close the EX File Manager. So now start afresh for Cross DJ and see the results. Here we are. It is 100% working. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe for more tutorial video. Here we are. See you in the next video.
DJ Gakuth the next. Yeah, mambo baya, yani hizi vitu ni